What's going on, everybody? I'm B Adams. Thanks again, once again, for tuning in to the channel. Yes, sir, baby. You see, I got the co-captain right here with me, baby. Me and the co-captain. I told you he wasn't gonna stay down for long. We gonna get his car back together the right way, like it's supposed to be. Meaning, we finna switch those gears out, baby. I told you he had the same setup I had when I ran them 2.3s at the track. He been had it. The Phantom Menace, I told you, he do everything I do it. We don't know how he does it. I'm still wondering how he does it. So now, we gonna get him in the mechanic shop, get that thing right on the lift, get him right so we can get out there. And he say he want to run a 2.5. I told him we going way past 2.5s, baby. You gonna get up there with 2.3s with me, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir, baby. Live from the mechanic shop. Live from the mechanic shop. Got the co-captain in here putting some work in, baby. Got that thing on the lift already putting some work in, baby. Got the prep crew. Got the prep crew working. Prep crew working. Taking all that old stuff off. Taking that old setup off. That 21 tooth Pinion gear, that 87 tooth Spur Gear. We taking that off, and we taking that old, it ain't busted, but we taking that old joint off, and we putting on the new hotness, baby. The new hotness. It's always good to have the co-captain in the mechanic shop with me, man. Seeing that I'm always in here by myself, just me and you all in the comments and the audience. Co-captain never joins us in here. Just late nights, or just me and y'all in here getting it together. But yeah, the co-captain is prepping everything now, taking all that old stuff off so we can put the new stuff on right now. All right, here we go, baby. Back in the hot seat. Co-captain done prepped us. Got that old stuff off. Got that old 87 tooth Spur Gear off. Got that old 21 tooth Pinion gear off. Now it's time to put on the new hotness to make them super fast. We got this TLI, baby, Team Losi Racing 23 tooth Pinion gear. 23 tooth 48p aluminum Pinion gear, baby. And to go with that, we got this Team Associated 84 tooth Spur Gear, where we're gonna refit those carbon fiber slipper pads from this 87 tooth, put them on here, lock and load this bad boy, and the co-captain gonna be ready to go. All right, we got them carbon fiber slipper pads fitted on that 84 tooth Spur Gear. We got this 23 tooth out and ready to be put on. And we also had to put the sandpaper game down to the co-captain's slipper clutch plates, because they looked a little beat on. So we put the sandpaper game down so he's back fresh on either side. Haven't upgraded to the magnesium ones that I got yet, but hopefully he will do it in the future. You know, we'll see how that fits into the budget. You know we're broke over here, people. All right, we almost there, baby. We almost got it all the way on. We fitted it on the right way, made sure it wasn't too close. The way the co-captain smoked his Spur Gear last time, we made sure it's spaced out the way it's supposed to be on there. So now all we got to do is we've lined up the hole for the screw. So all we got to do is put that screw in there and she'll be ready to go. And voila, she's done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got our handy dandy thread lock blue. Got that screw tightened on in there. Got that 23 pinion locked down. Made sure the spacing was right for the co-captain. All we have to do is get back out there, test and tune, get this baby locked in, because we got to adjust the slipper clutch, and we won't have those follies again where he unscrews it all the way and we can't figure out what's going on. So we're going to get out there, test and tune them so we can get down to the threes, baby. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We back, baby. We back, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Co-captain ready to lay some rubber down now, baby. 2.3s, baby. 2.3s. I'm calling it now, co-cap. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah, y'all know what we got to do. Y'all know what we got to do. We got to take a look at the co-captain's spending habits lately. He's been getting off. The Phantom Menace been getting off. But no, we caught up with him early. Got his list out here. Added everything up that we haven't put on the list since the last time you've seen this list. So we got everything on there. Added everything on there that we didn't have on there. We got those Z batteries, that 2-pack, that TLR Pinion gear, that Team Associated Spur Gear, and also that Team Associated 87 tooth Spur Gear that he smoked the first day he went to the track. We had to put that back on. But now that doesn't seem to matter because we got this on there. So now it's time to see what the co-captain's new total is for what he has spent on his Losi so far since the beginning of his journey. Let's add it up, baby. Let's see what he got. Ooh, man, co-cap. I don't know if you're ready for this number. The co-captain's new total after all of his spending habits thus far is $903.50. $900. Put it back on there again. $903. Co-captain. Woo! You're touching the G-ball, co-cap. You touching the G-ball, co-cap. A few more purchases, you gonna be over the top. Co-captain. 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 What? What are you doing? Where you going? Where you going? Co-captain, it ain't that bad.
That's how I feel at the moment.
It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad.
Man, $900.
903. 903.50. What you thinking about that, man?
I'm gonna be penny pinching for a few months.
Man, you and me both. You and me both. They don't understand we're broke. They don't understand we're broke. I don't know how they thought we started this channel, man, but we're using our own money.
I told y'all.
And it's leaving fast. Hey, co-captain, man, I think it's time for us to really start getting in tune because I think now we need a return on our investment.
We definitely need a return.
Yeah.
Combined, man, 2K?
Man, yeah. Y'all was talking about y'all want us out there racing. Yeah, y'all might get us faster than y'all know now. All right, co-cap, while I got you here, I know we just put out the video of our last test and tune, which made you go ahead and switch over gears. The video, me and you both said it was a little tough to watch. You know, it wasn't like our past successful videos, even though when we don't have success, we seem to have a lot of fun. This one, it was a little more frustration involved. What are your thoughts on the day after everything transpired and as you were reliving it, as you were rewatching the video like I was?
Okay, in the beginning, it wasn't too bad. I ain't gonna lie. When we was racing up against each other.
Oh yeah, when you thought you had me, yeah.
We was in the 2.6.
267, 268.
And once we got the 2.7s and 2.8s and
Yeah.
3.0s, hey, the video just fell off.
Yeah, we fell all the way apart. I don't know what was going on, but what we do want to know. What's going on with your slipper clutch situation? Your slipper clutch adjustment.
Man, so I thought I turned it a quarter, right? Which I felt like I turned it a quarter.
Yeah.
It didn't feel too loose.
Yeah, you turned it 75 cents. That's what you turned it.
I definitely jagged 2 races out there because of the slipper clutch.
Man, hey, but we're lucky it was just that. We're lucky it was just that. You know what I'm saying? It was an easy fix, tightened you back up, got you back out there running, even though we still had to adjust it. Well, it don't matter now. We got a new system to get out there and adjust, you know, but we're lucky it was just that. It was something easy. It wasn't nothing broken. So, man, because you have a history, co-captain. Your history, man, is just not from street racing to track racing, man. You seem to break way more stuff first than I do. I don't know how that's going. I don't know how that's happening, man.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna dial it back in. We coming.
We coming. Yep. Yes, sir. You see me in the co-cap, fresh out the mechanic shop. Got him right back together. You thought it was over. You thought it was done. No, it was just the beginning, baby. We got the co-cap up to speed. He rocking and rolling just like I'm rocking and rolling. Now, he's going to be down in 2.3s. I'm calling, just like I told him last time, I'm calling it after this gear switch. I'm calling the 2.3s. As long as he can dial her in, focus, stay focused, keep her straight. And 2.3s, baby. 2.3s right there with his boy. You know what we need y'all to do? We need y'all to smash the subscribe button. If you haven't done it already, get down, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell for the notification so you can be the first one to know as soon as we drop something, as soon as me and co-captain get back out there and lay some rubber down, baby, you'll be the first to know. Like the video, Get down in the comments. Tell us what you think. We always want y'all to get down in the comments and let us know what you all think about our experience into no prep RC car drag racing, baby. Reporting live, fresh out the mechanic shop from getting the co-captain back together, baby. Till the next time, we'll holler at y'all. Me and the co-captain, we driving. Losi Summer 2K25, baby.